If you have a lemon, make a lemonade. Part 1. From How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. Narration by Riazul Islam Khan. While writing this book, I dropped in one day at the University of Chicago and asked the Chancellor Robert Maynard Hutchins how he kept from worrying. He replied, I have always tried to follow a bit of advice given to me by the late Julius Rosenwald, president of Sears, Roebuck and Company. When you have a lemon, make a lemonade. This is what a great educator does. But the fool does the exact opposite. If he finds that life has handed him a lemon, he gives up and says, I am beaten. It is fate. I haven't got a chance. Then he proceeds to rail against the world and indulge in an orgy of self pity. But when the wise man is handed a lemon, he says, what lesson can I learn from this misfortune? How can I improve my situation? How can I turn this lemon into a lemonade? After spending a lifetime studying people and their hidden reserves of power, the great psychologist Alfred Adler declared that one of the wonder-filled characteristics of human beings is their power to turn a minus into a plus. Note from narrator. Over to part 2, please.